Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So today we will start with the literature section of book Osho Light. So yeah, we'll start with the question number 1. Okay, so the question number 1 is, who is the author of the book? And the options are A. James A. Michener, B. Herman Hesse, C. Alan Watts, D. Patricia Cornwell. So we'll check what is the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, Alan Watts. C is the correct answer, Alan Watts. And this is the book's covers. Wait a second. Coming to the next question, question number 2. Who is the author of Principia Ethica? Question 2 is, who is the author of Principia Ethica? And the options are option A, G.E. Moore, option B, Richard Scarry, option C, E.L. James, option D, Evan Hunter. So the correct answer is option A, G.E. Moore. Let's check the answer. G.E. Moore is the correct answer. We will see the pictures. This is the cover of Principia Ethica and Ethics, George Edward Moore. This is the another cover. Yeah. Next question is question number 3. Who is the author of 3 Pillars of Zen? So the options are A, Masashi Kishimoto, B, Roald Dahl, C, Philip Kapliw, D, Irving Wallace. So the correct answer is option C, Philip Kapliw. Let's check the answer. C, Philip Kapliw is the correct answer. This is the cover of the book, The 3 Pillars of Zen. Okay, next question, question number 4. Who is the author of Poetics? The options are option A, Aristotle, option B, Plato, option C, Charles Darwin, option D, Socrates. So the correct answer is option A, Aristotle. Let's check the answer. Aristotle is the correct answer. Option A. And we will check the images. This is the cover of the book Poetics by Aristotle. Next question, question number 5. Who is the author of Principia Mathematica? The options are A, Clive Cussler, B, Bertrand Russell and Whitehead, C, Debbie Macomber, D, Edgar Wallace. So the correct answer is option B, Bertrand Russell and Whitehead. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct answer, and this is the image. This is the cover of Principia Mathematica. Coming to the next question, question number 6. Who is the author of Listen Little Man? So options are Alistair MacLean, B, Catherine Cookson, C, Gerard de Villiers, D, Wilhelm Reich. The correct answer is option D, Wilhelm Reich. And we will check the answer. D is the correct answer. This is the cover of Listen Little Man. Coming to the next question, question number 7. Who is the author of Zen Buddhism? So options are given as A. Eleanor Hibbert, B. Frank G. Slaughter, C. Christmas Humphreys, D. Patricia Cornwell. So the correct answer is option C, Christmas Humphreys. We will check the answer. And C is the correct answer. Let's check the images. This is the cover of Zen Buddhism. And this is the author. Coming to the next question, question number 8. Who is the author of Zen Flesh, Zen Bones? So options are given as A. Paul Reps, B. Yasuo Uchida, C. Ian Fleming, D. Anne Rice. So the correct answer is A. Paul Reps. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer, Paul Reps. And this is the cover of Zen Flesh, Zen Bones. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 9. Who is the author of Philosophical Investigations? So the options are given as option A, Frank G. Slaughter, B. Ludwig Wittgenstein, C. Seiichi Morimura, D. Patricia Cornwell. The correct answer is option B, Ludwig Wittgenstein. Let's check the answer. B is the correct answer, and this is the image. This is the cover of the book. Next question, question number 10. Who is the author of Bhaj Govindam? Options are given as A. Premchand, option B. V.S. Naipaul, option C. Adi Shankaracharya, option D. Amit Sharat Chandra. So the correct answer is the author of Bhaj Govindam is option C, Adi Shankaracharya. Let's check the answer. And C is the correct answer. We will see the image. This is the cover of the book Bhaj Govindam.
Ma'am, can I ask you a question?
Sorry, yes.
मैम मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप उस बुक के बारे में थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में बताएं ताकि हम उसे और लंबे समय तक याद रख पाएं.
ओके, सो ये जो डिस्कशन है ये चीज हम लास्ट में लेते हैं. एंड अभी वी नीड टू फिनिश द क्वेश्चन. सो अभी हम थोड़ा क्वेश्चंस पे ध्यान देते हैं.
ओके
ओके. And also we are gonna add the explanation part और फिर उसमें आपको explanation जो है वो clearly मिल जाएगी जिससे कि आप उसको easily समझ पाएंगे. Yeah, coming to the next question, question number 11. Who is the author of Confessions? So we have options. Option A is Nicholas Sparks, B. St. Augustine, C. Roger Hargreaves, and D. Eleanor Hibbert. So the correct answer is option B, St. Augustine. Option B is the correct answer, and there is the image. This is the cover of the book, The Confessions. So basically when you see the image of the cover, it helps you to remember. So this is one of the way to remember the answer. Question number 12. Who is the author of Thoughts and Meditation? So let's go with the options. Option A is Catherine Cookson, B. Norman Bridwell, C. Khalil Gibran, D. Roger Hargreaves. So the correct answer is option C, Khalil Gibran. And C is the correct answer. And we will check the image. This is the cover of the book, Thoughts and Meditation. Coming to the next question, question number 13. Who is the author of prose poems? So options are given as A. Khalil Gibran, B. Carter Brown, C. Dan Brown, D. Michael Crichton. So the correct answer is option A, Khalil Gibran. Let's check the answer. And A is the correct answer. Now we'll see the image. And this is the cover of the book. Next question, question number 14. Who is the author of Psychosynthesis? So options are given as A. Masashi Kishimoto, B. James Patterson, C. Roberto Assagioli, and D. Rumiko Takahashi. So the correct answer is option C, Roberto Assagioli. C is the correct answer. And this is the image of the cover. Psychosynthesis, a collection of basic writings. Okay, next question. Question number 15. Who is the author of Philosophical Investigations? So options are option A, Ludwig Wittgenstein, B. Earl Stanley Gardner, C. Janet Daly, D. Mickey Spillane. So the correct answer is option A, Ludwig Wittgenstein. Let's check the answer. A is the correct answer. And we will see the image. This is the cover of the book, Philosophical Investigations. Yeah, coming to the next question, question number 16. Who is the author of Notes from the Underground? Okay, so the options are A. James Patterson, B. Fyodor Dostoevsky, C. Stan and Jan Berenstain, D. John Grisham. So the correct answer is Fyodor Dostoevsky. Let's check the answer. And B is the correct option. These are the images of the cover. And coming to the next question, question number 17. Who is the author of The Wisdom of China and India? So options are A. Horatio Alger, B. Jeffrey Archer, C. Lin Yutang, D. Robert Ludlum. And the correct answer is option C, Lin Yutang. Let's check the answer. C is the correct option, and we have an image. This is the cover of the book. Next question, question number 18. Who is the author of The Importance of Living? So options are option A, Jackie Collins, option B, Lin Yutang, option C, Dean Koontz, option D, Stephen King. The correct answer is option B, Lin Yutang. Let's check the answer. B is the correct answer, and we have the cover. This is the cover of book, The Importance of Living. Next question, question number 19. Who is the author of Nadi Ke Dweep or Islands of River? So options are A, Khushwant Singh, option B, Amitabh Ghosh, option C, Mulk Raj Anand, and option D, Sachidanand Vatsyayan. So the correct answer is Nadi Ke Dweep has the author of Nadi Ke Dweep is option D, Sachidanand Vatsyayan. So let's check the answer. Okay. D is the correct option. And we have an image. He is also known as Agye. So Nadi Ke Dweep is written by Swami Sachidanand Vatsyayan, who is also known as Agye. Coming to question number 20, who is the author of One Dimensional Man? So the options are given as option A, Dean Koontz, option B, Herbert Marcuse, option C, Paulo Coelho, and option D, Zero Akagawa. So the correct answer is option B, Herbert Marcuse. Let's check the answer. B is the correct option, and there is the image of the cover, One Dimensional Man. Next page. Question number 21. Who is the author of Light of Asia? Options are option A, Sir Edwin Arnold, B, Sidney Sheldon, C, Horatio Alger, and D, Alexander Pushkin. So the correct answer is option A, Sir Edwin Arnold. Let's check the answer. Option A, Sir Edwin Arnold, is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, The Light of Asia. Question number 22. Who is the author of Psychoanalysis and the Unconscious? The options are A, Sidney Sheldon, option B, Gilbert Paton, option C, D.H. Lawrence, and option D, Leo Tolstoy. So the correct answer is option C, D.H. Lawrence. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct answer. And we have the image of cover. Coming to the next question, question number 23. Who is the author of the Phoenix? So options are option A, E.L. James, option B, D.H. Lawrence, option C, A.G. Yoshikawa, option D, David Baldacci. So the correct answer is option B, D.H. Lawrence. Let's check the answer. B is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, Phoenix. Coming to the next question, question number 24. Who is the author of Fathers and Sons? So options are option A, Turgenev, option B, Michael Crichton, option C, Beatrix Potter, option D, Gerard de Villiers. So the correct answer is option A, Turgenev, and A is the correct option. This is the cover of Fathers and Sons. Another cover. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 25. Who is the author of The Mother? So options are option A, Mickey Spillane, option B, Maxim Gorky, option C, Dan Brown, and option D, Zane Grey. So the correct answer is option B, Maxim Gorky. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct answer, and we have an image. This is the cover of Mother. Next question, question number 26. Who is the author of Resurrection? Options are option A, J.R.R. Tolkien. Option B, John Grisham. Option C, Leo Tolstoy. And option D, N.M. Martin. The correct answer is option C, Leo Tolstoy. Let's check the answer first. C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Resurrection by Leo Tolstoy. Next question, question number 27. Who is the author of The Agony and Ecstasy? Options are option A, Irving Stone, option B, Rennie Goscinny, and option C, Edgar Wallace, option D, Masashi Kishimoto. So the correct answer is option A, Irving Stone. Let's check the answer. A is the correct answer. And there is an image. This is the cover of the book. Next question, question number 28. Who is the author of Lust for Life? So the options are given as option A, Louis L'Amour, option B, Irving Stone, option C, Jin Yong, and option D, Janet Daly. So the correct answer is option B, Irving Stone. B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book. Coming to the next question, question number 29. Who is the author of The History of Western Philosophy? So options are given as option A, Bertrand Russell, option B, Corin Toledo, option C, Alexander Pushkin, and option D, Jeffrey Archer. So the correct option is option A, Bertrand Russell. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer, and there is an image. This is the cover of book, A History of Western Philosophy. Next question, question number 30. Who is the author of the Myth of Sisyphus? So the options are option A, Enid Blyton, option B, Eiichiro Oda, option C, Albert Camus, and option D, Leo Tolstoy. So the correct option is option C, Albert Camus. Albert Camus. Camus, yeah, or Albert Camus, I'm sorry.
French name.
Let's check the option. Option C is the correct option, and we have an image. The Myth of Sisyphus. Okay, coming to the page number 4. Next question is question number 31. Who is the author of Meetings with Remarkable Men? So options are option A, Eiichiro Oda, option B, Dean Koontz, option C, Gurdjieff, option D, Stephen King. So the correct answer is option C, Gurdjieff. And let's check the answer. Option C is the correct answer, and we have the image. Meetings with Remarkable Men. This is the cover. Coming to the next question, question number 32. Who is the author of I and Thou? So options are option A, Gilbert Payton, option B, Martin Buber, option C, J.K. Rowling, option D, Enid Blyton. So the correct answer is option B, Martin Buber. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct answer. And this is an image of I.N. Dao. Next question, question number 33. Who is the author of Tale of Hasidism? So options are A, Martin Buber, option B, Rene Goscinny, option C, Barbara Cartland, and option D, Nora Roberts. So the correct answer is option A, Martin Buber. A is the correct option, and we have the cover of the book, Tales of Hasidim. Next question, question number 34. Who is the author of The Wanderer? Options are option A, John Creasy, option B, Khalil Gibran, option C, Mary Higgins Clark, option D, Janet Daly. So the correct answer is option B, Khalil Gibran. B is the correct option. And this is the image of the cover. Next question, question number 35. Who is the author of Alice Through the Looking Glass? So options are option A, Lewis Carroll, option B, Andrew Niederman, option C, Ian Fleming, option D, Patricia Cornwell. So the correct answer is option A, Lewis Carroll. Let's check the answer. And A is the correct answer. This is the cover of the book, Through the Looking Glass. Next question, question number 36. Who is the author of Alice in Wonderland? So options are given as option A, Wilbur Smith, option B, Robin Cook, option C, Lewis Carroll, option D, Judith Krantz. So the correct answer is option C, Lewis Carroll. Let's check the answer. C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Alice in Adventures in Wonderland. Next question, question number 37. Who is the author of The Voice of the Master? Options are given as option A, A.G. Yoshikawa, option B, David Baldacci, option C, Andrew Niederman, and option D, Khalil Gibran. So the correct answer is option D, Khalil Gibran, and we will check the answer. Option D is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, The Voice of the Master. Next question, question number 38. Who is the author of The Garden of the Prophet? So options are A, Khalil Gibran, option B, Astrid Lindgren, option C, Nicholas Sparks, and option D, Andrew Niederman. The correct answer is option A, Khalil Gibran. A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Garden of the Prophet. Next question, question number 39. Who is the author of The Outsider? Options are option A, Mickey Spillane, option B, Colin Wilson, option C, N.M. Martin, option D, Arthur Haley. So the correct answer is option B, Colin Wilson. Let's check the answer. B option is the correct option, and this is the image of the cover, The Outsider. Next question, question number 40. Who is the author of The Psychology of Man's Possible Evolution? Options are given as option A, Michael Crichton, option B, Alistair MacLean, option C, Dan Brown, and option D, P.D. Ouspensky. The correct answer is option D, P.D. Ouspensky. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct answer. And this is the image of the cover, The Psychology of Man's Possible Evolution. Next page. Question number 41. Who is the author of Our Life with Gurdjieff? So options are given as option A, Hartman, option B, John Grisham, option C, Masashi Kishimoto, and option D, Carter Brown. So the correct answer is option A, Hartman. Let's check the answer. A is the correct option, and this is the cover of the book, Our Life with Mr. Gurdjieff. Next question, question number 42. Who is the author of Commentaries on Living? So options are option A, J. Krishnamurti, option B, Masashi Kishimoto, option C, Kayotaro Nishimura, option D, Mitsuru Adachi. So the correct answer is option A, J. Krishnamurti. A is the correct option, and we have images. This is the cover of the book, Commentaries on Living, and this is the another cover. Next question, question number 43. Who is the author of Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus? Options are option A, J.R.R. Tolkien, option B, Ludwig Wittgenstein, and option C, Stan and Jan Berenstain, option D, Carter Brown. So the correct answer is option B, Ludwig Wittgenstein. Let's check the answer. B is the correct option, and this is the cover of the book. So next question, question number 44. Who wrote the book Time and Being? So options are option A, Horatio Alger, option B, Rumiko Takahashi, option C, Martin Heger, option C, Frederick Dard. So the correct answer is option C, Martin Heger. Let's check the answer. C is the correct option, and there are images. This is the cover of the book, Being and Time. And this is another image. Next question, question number 45. Who is the author of Being and Nothingness? So options are option A, Jean-Paul Sartre, option B, Alexander Pushkin, option C, Leo Tolstoy, option D, Edgar Wallace. So the correct option is option A, Jean-Paul Sartre. And A is the correct option. This is the cover of the book, Being and Nothingness. Next question, question number 46. Who wrote the book, The Madman? Option A, Khalil Gibran. Option B, Gilbert Payton. Option C, Sultana Gibran. Option D, Eiichiro Oda. So the correct answer is option A, Khalil Gibran. And let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, The Madman. Next question, question number 47. Who is the author of The Way of Zen? So options are option A, Sidney Sheldon, option B, Alan Watts, option C, R.L. Stine, option D, Nora Roberts. So the correct answer is option B, Alan Watts. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, The Way of Zen. Question number 48. Who is the author of The Destiny of the Mind? So options are option A, Robert Ludlum, option B, Janet Daly, option C, William S. Haas, option D, James Patterson. So the correct answer is option C, William S. Haas. And C is the correct option. This is the cover of the book, The Destiny of the Mind. Question number 49. Who is the author of Maxims for a Revolutionary? Options are A, George Bernard Shaw, B, Earl Stanley Gardner, C, Roald Dahl, option D, John Grisham. So the correct answer is option A, George Bernard Shaw. And A is the correct option. This is the cover of the book, Maxims for Revolutionists. And this is another cover. Coming to the next question, question number 50. Who is the author of At the Feet of the Master? So options are option A, Jackie Collins, option B, Jiddu Krishnamurti, option C, Horatio Alger, option D, Akira Toriyama. So the correct answer is option B, Jiddu Krishnamurti. Let's check the answer. And B is the correct option. This is the cover of the book. Next page. Question number 51. Who is the author of A New Model of the Universe? So options are given as option A, Jackie Collins, Option B, Stephen King. Option C, P.D. Ouspensky. Option D, Earl Stanley Gardner. So the correct answer is option C, P.D. Ouspensky. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, A New Model of the Universe. Another cover. Next question, question number 52. Who wrote the book, The Will to Power? Option A, Paulo Coelho. Option B, Horatio Alger. Option C, R.L. Stine. Option D, Friedrich Nietzsche. So the correct answer is option D, Friedrich Nietzsche, and we will check the answer. Option D is the correct answer, and there are a few images of the cover, Will to Power. Next question, question number 53. Who is the author of The Supreme Doctrine? Option A, Barbara Cartland. Option B, Alexander Pushkin. Option C, Hubert Benoit. Option D, Louis L'Amour. So the correct answer is option C, Hubert Benoit. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct answer. And there are a few images. This is the cover of the book, The Supreme Doctrine. Another cover. Next question, question number 54. Who is the author of The Light on the Path? So options are given as A, Jackie Collins, B, Mabel Collins, C, Gilbert Payton, and D, Colin Toledo. So the correct answer is option B, Mabel Collins. We will check the answer. And B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Light on the Path and Karma. This is another cover. Coming to the next question, question number 55. Who is the author of Siddhartha? Option A, Hermann Hesse. Option B, Horatio Alger. Option C, Dr. Seuss. Option D, Jackie Collins. So the correct answer is option A, Hermann Hesse. A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Siddhartha. Next question, question number 56. Who wrote Zorba the Greek? So options are A, Gilbert Payton. Option B, Leo Tolstoy. Option C, R.L. Stine. Option D, Nikos Kazantzakis. So the correct answer is option D, Nikos Kazantzakis. And this is the cover of the book, Zorba the Greek. This is another cover. Next question, question number 57. Who is the author of Dhammapada? So options are option A, Buddha. Option B, Vyas. Option C, Kalidas. And option D, Eiichiro Oda. The correct answer is option A, Buddha. A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, the Dhammapada. Next question, question number 58. Who wrote the book, The Secret Doctrine? Options are option A, E.L. James, option B, Richard Scarry, option C, Madame Blavatsky, option D, A.G. Yoshikawa. So the correct answer is option C, Madame Blavatsky. Let's check the answer. C is the correct option, and this is the cover of the book, The Secret Doctrine. Next question, question number 59. Who is the author of Let Go? So options are option A, Hubert Benoit, option B, Tite Kubo, option C, Astrid Lindgren, option D, Arthur Haley. So the correct answer is option A, Hubert Benoit. A is the correct option, and this is the cover of book Let Go. Next question, question number 60. Who is the author of Zen and Japanese Culture? Options are A, Gerard de Villiers, option B, Tite Kubo, option C, D.T. Suzuki, and option D, Ken Follett. So the correct answer is option C, D.T. Suzuki. Let's check the answer. D.T. Suzuki, option C, is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, Zen and Japanese Culture. Coming to the next page, page number 7. Question number 61. Who wrote the book, The Golden Verses? Option are option A, Dan Brown, option B, Gosho Aoyama, option C, Kayotaro Nishimura, and option D, Pythagoras. So the correct answer is option D, Pythagoras. And D option is the correct option. This is the cover of the book, The Golden Verses of Pythagoras. Coming to the next question, question number 62. Who wrote the book, The Fragments? So options are given as option A, Heraclitus, option B, Arthur Haley, option C, Alistair MacLean, option D, Mickey Spillane. So the correct answer is option A, Heraclitus. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, Fragments. Next question, question number 63. Who wrote the book, The First and the Last Freedom? Options are option A, Osho, option B, J. Krishnamurti, option C, Alan Watts, option D, Beatrix Potter. So the correct answer is option B, J. Krishnamurti. Let's check the answer, and B is the correct answer. This is the cover of the book, The First and Last Freedom. Next question, question number 64. Who is the author of Samyasar? Options are option A, Acharya Kund Kunda Dev, option B, Rabindranath Tagore, Option C, Kalidas. Option D, Rakesh Mishra, B. So the correct answer is option A, Acharya Kundakunda Dev. Let's check the answer. And A is the correct option. This is the cover of the book. Next question. Question number 65. Who wrote the book Geet Govinda? So options are option A, Vyas, option B, Kalidas, option C, Mohan Rakesh, and option D, Jayadev. So the correct answer is option D, Jayadev. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct answer. And this is the cover of book Geeta Govinda. Next question, question number 66. Who wrote the book Tertium Organum? So options are option A, Michael Crichton, option B, P.D. Ouspensky, option C, Kayotaro Nishimura, and option D, N.M. Martin. So the correct answer is option B, P.D. Ouspensky. Let's check the answer. B is the correct answer. And the cover of the book. Next question, question number 67. Sinsen Ming, The Book of Nothing, is written by option A, Osho, option B, Arthur Haley, option C, Michael Crichton, option D, Ken Follett. So the correct answer is option A, Osho. This is the cover of the book. Okay, let me mark. Question number 67. Next question, question number 68. Who is the author of Leaves of Grass? So options are option A, C.S. Lewis, option B, Gerard de Villiers, option C, Walt Whitman, option D, Debbie Macomber. So the correct answer is option C, Walt Whitman. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, Leaves of Grass. Next question, question number 69. Who is the author of In Search of the Miraculous? Options are option A, John Grisham, option B, P.D. Ouspensky, option C, Carl May, option D, Mitsuru Adachi. So the correct answer is option B, P.D. Ouspensky. And option B is the correct option. This is the cover of the book, In Search of the Miraculous. Next question, question number 70. Who is the author of All and Everything? So options are option A, George Gurdjieff, option B, Osamu Tezuka, option C, Carter Brown, option D, C.S. Lewis. So the correct answer is George Gurdjieff, option A. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book, All in Everything. Coming to the next page, page number 8. Question number 71. Who wrote the book Masnavi? So options are A, Omar Khayyam, option B, Hafiz, option C, Jalaluddin Rumi, option D, Sadi Shirazi. So the correct answer is option C, Jalaluddin Rumi. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, the Masnavi of Rumi. So, एक दो question रहना है इसके. Next question, question number 72. Who wrote the book The Rubaiyat? So options are option A, Ruby, option B, Omar Khayyam, option C, Hafiz, option D, Ferdowsi. So the correct answer is option B, Omar Khayyam. B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam. Next question, question number 73. Who is the author of Dialogue on Socrates? So options are option A, Socrates, option B, Aristotle, option C, Plato, option D, Rumi. So the correct answer is option C, Plato. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option, and this is the cover of the book, The Socratic Dialogues by Plato. Next question, question number 74. Who is the author of The Prophet? So options are option A, Sultana Gibran, option B, Khalil Gibran, option C, Nizar Kabani, option D, Rumi. So the correct answer is option B, Khalil Gibran.
It's Gibran, not Gibran.
Gibran, okay, sorry. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book. Next question, question number 75. Who wrote the book Tao Te Ching? So options are option A, Zoroaster, option B, Chao Zung, option C, Zoroaster's, option D, Lao Tzu. So the correct answer is option D, Lao Tzu. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book. Now we are having a 10 minutes break. And we will meet at 11:15. Okay, next question. Question number 76. Who wrote the book Jonathan Livingston Seagull? Options are option A, David Hume, option B, Richard Lewis. Option C, Richard Bach. Option D, Carl B. So the correct answer is option C, Richard Bach. Option C is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book. Coming to the next question, question number 77. Who wrote the Book of Medad? Options are option A, Albert Camus. Option B, Carl Jung. Option C, Sigmund Freud.
Could you just show me the 76th question, please?
Again? Yeah, okay, no problem. Question 76 is, who wrote the book Jonathan Livingston Seagull? So options are option A, David Hume. Option B, Richard Lewis. Option C, Richard Bach. Option D, Carl B. So the correct option is option C, Richard Bach. Next question is question number 77. Who wrote the Book of Medad? So options are option A, Albert Camus. Option B, Carl Jung. Option C, Sigmund Freud. Option D, Mikhail Naimi. So the correct answer is option D, Mikhail Naimi. D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book. Coming to the next question, question number 78. Who wrote the book Brothers Karamazov? Option A, Fyodor Dostoevsky. Option B, Sigmund Freud. Option C, Carl Jung. Option D, Franz Kafka. So the correct answer is option A, Fyodor Dostoevsky. And this is the cover of the book. Next question, question number 79. Who wrote the book Thus Spake Zarathustra? So options are A, Friedrich Nietzsche. Option B, Daniel Steele. Option C, Karl Marx. Option D, Albert Camus. So the correct answer is option A, Friedrich Nietzsche. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book. Now we will do the section of books on cinema. Question number 1 is, who is the editor of the book Contemporary Indian Theatre? So options are option A, Anubhav Agarwal. Option B, Suman Gupta. Option C, Aditi Chopra. And option D, Rajinder Paul. So here the correct answer is option D, Rajinder Paul. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct answer, and this is the cover of the book Contemporary Indian Theatre. Next question, question number 2. Who is the author of the book Another Cinema for Another Society? Options are A, Peter Biskind. Option B, Gaston Roberts. Option C, Andrew Sarris. Option D, Mary Satan. So the correct answer is option B, Gaston Roberts. B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book. This is the author. Another cover. Next question, question number 3. Who wrote the book Bombay Hustle, Making Movies in a Colonial City? So options are option A, Debashri Mukherjee. Option B, Debashri Banerjee. Option C, Debashri Chatterjee. Or option D, Debashri Roy. So the correct answer is option A, Debashri Mukherjee. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer, and there are a few images. This is the cover of the book, and this is Debashri Mukherjee. Another picture and the cover. Next question, question number 4. Encyclopedia of Indian Cinema is written by option A, Paul Willeman and Ashish Rajadhyaksh. Option B, Paul Willeman and Ashish Nandi. Option C, Ashish Nandi and Paul Willeman. Option D, Paul Willeman. So the correct answer is option A, Paul Willeman and Ashish Rajadhyaksha. A is the correct option. This is Ashish Rajadhyaksh. Cover of the book. Coming to the next question, question number 5. The film Lutera is partially based on which of O. Henry's short stories? So options are given as option A, After 20 Years. Option B, The Last Leaf. Option C, The Green Door. Option D, The Furnished Room. The correct answer is option B, The Last Leaf. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct answer. And this is the cover of the book and one of the still of the movie Lutera. That's O. Henry. Poster of Lutera. Cover of the book. Next question, question number 6. The film Heather is adapted from which of the following plays of Shakespeare? So options are given as option A, Othello. Option B, Hamlet. Option C, Macbeth. Option D, A Midsummer Night's Dream. So the correct answer is option B, Hamlet. B is the correct answer. This is a picture. And this is the cover of the book. Another cover. This is the poster of the film Heather. Another poster. Next question, question number 7. Shatranj Ke Khiladi, Satyajit Ray's masterpiece, was an adaptation of the book by the same name, was written by A. Mahadevi Verma, option B. Jai Shankar Prasad, option C. Satyajit Ray, option D. Munshi Premchand. So the correct answer is option D. Munshi Premchand. And let's check the images. This is the poster of Shatranj Ke Khiladi. Cover of the book. Another cover. Next question, question number 8. Pinjar, which is based on the Punjabi novel of the same name, is written by A. Sahir Ludhianvi, option B. Amrita Pritam, option C. Surjit Patar, option D. Pritam Singh. So the correct answer is option B. Amrita Pritam. B is the correct option.
Could you just show the 7th question, please?
Okay, wait. Okay, question number 7 is Shatranj Ke Khiladi, Satyajit Ray's masterpiece, was an adaptation of the book by the same name, and it was written by whom? So the options are A. Mahadevi Verma, option B. Jai Shankar Prasad, option C. Satyajit Ray, and option D. Munshi Premchand. So the correct answer is option D. Munshi Premchand. Shatranj Ki Khiladi was written by him. So question number 8, I'm repeating. Pinjar, which is based on a Punjabi novel of the same name, is written by. Options are A. Sahir Ludhianvi, option B. Amrita Pritam, option C. Surjit Patar, and option D. Pritam Singh. The correct option is option B. Amrita Pritam. Next question, question number 9. Ruskin Bond's novel, A Flight of Pigeons, was made into the critically acclaimed movie, Junoon, by the famous director. Option A. Satyajit Ray, option B. Guru Dutt, option C. Shyam Benegal, and option D. Raj Kapoor. So the correct option is option C. Shyam Benegal. C is the correct option. And this is the poster of the movie Junoon. And this is the cover of the book, A Flight of Pigeon. That's Shyam Benegal. Next question, question number 10. The film The Blue Umbrella, which is adapted from the book of the same name, whose author is option A. Ruskin Bond, option B. Rudyard Kipling, option C. Arundhati Roy, and option D. R.K. Narayan. So the correct answer is option A. Ruskin Bond. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct answer, and we have a few images. Cover of the book, The Blue Umbrella, and that's Ruskin Bond. Another cover. Okay, coming to the next page, page number 2. The film Saath Khoon Maaf, which is adapted from a short story called Susanna's Seven Husbands, is written by A. Sudha Murthy, B. Aubrey Bond, C. Vishal Bhardwaj, D. Ruskin Bond. So the correct option is option D, Ruskin Bond. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. This is the poster of the film, this Saat Khoon Maaf. Another poster. Cover of the book. Next question, question number 12. The film Maqbool is based on a Shakespearean play, Macbeth. It is directed by option A, Abhishek Chaubey, option B, Mani Ratnam, option C, Meera Nair, and option D, Vishal Bhardwaj. The correct answer is option D, Vishal Bhardwaj. D is the correct option. This is one of the poster of the film Maqbool. Cover of the book Macbeth. Another poster. Another cover. Next question, question number 13. The film Guide, which is based on the book by the same name, is written by A. Madhura Jasraj, B. R.K. Narayan, option C. Mulk Raj Anand, and option D. Raja Rao. So the correct answer is option B. R.K. Narayan. This is the cover of the book, R.K. Narayan's The Guide. Another cover. Poster of the film Guide. Another poster. Next question, question number 14. Who is the author of the book V. Shantaram? Options are option A, Raja Rao, option B, Krishna Sobti, option C, R.K. Narayan, option D, Madhura Jasraj. So the correct answer is option D, Madhura Jasraj. Let's check the answer. D is the correct answer. This is the cover of the book. And that's Madhura Jasraj. Another cover. Coming to the next question, question number 15. The film Omkara is based on which Shakespeare's play? So options are option A, Macbeth, option B, Hamlet, option C, Othello, option D, Twelfth Night. The correct answer is option C, Othello. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct answer. This is the cover of the book Othello, and this is the poster of the film Omkara. Another cover. Next question, question number 16. The film Parinita, based on the book by the same name, is written by option A, Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, option B, Rabindranath Tagore, option C, Manik Bandhopadhyay, option D, Bimal Roy. So the correct answer is option A, Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay. A is the correct option. This is the poster of the film Parinita, and this is the cover of the book. Another cover. Next question, question number 17. The film Two States, which was based on the book by the same name, was written by option A, Arundhati Roy, option B, Amish Tripathi, option C, Chetan Bhagat, and option D, Durjoy Datta. The correct answer is option C, Chetan Bhagat. This is the poster of the film Two States. Cover of the book Two States. Chetan Bhagat's picture. A still from the movie. Next question, question number 18. Which film was inspired by Chetan Bhagat's novel 5 Point Someone? So the options are option A, 5 Idiots, option B, 3 Idiots, option C, Rabta, and option D, Kai Po Che. So the correct answer is option B, 3 Idiots. B is the correct answer. Poster of 3 Idiots, Chetan Bhagat. Cover of the book 5 Point Someone. Another poster. Next question, question number 19. Which film was inspired by Chetan Bhagat's novel, The 3 Mistakes of My Life? So options are A, Go Goa Gone, option B, 16, option C, Kick, and option D, Kai Po Che. So the correct option is option D, Kai Po Che. Let's check the answer. D is the correct answer. This is the poster of the film Kai Po Che. This is the cover of the book, The 3 Mistakes of My Life. Next question, question number 20. Which film was inspired by Chetan Bhagat's novel, One Night at the Call Center? Option A, Karthik Calling Karthik. Option B, Hello. Option C, Outsourced. And option D, The Other End of the Line. The correct answer is option B, Hello. Let's check the answer. B is the correct option. This is a poster of the film, Hello. Cover of the book, One Night at the Call Center, and another poster. Next page, page number 3.
हेलो मैम,
Yes.
क्या ये मैम ये हेलो मूवी रिलीज हुई थी? क्योंकि मैंने नाम नहीं सुना इसका।
Sorry.
ये हेलो नाम की जो मूवी है वो क्या रिलीज हुई थी?
Yes, that's why there is the poster of the film.
मैंने इसका नाम नहीं सुना, इससे पूछा था।
Yeah. हेलो फिल्म सलमान खान की जो है, चेतन भगत की नॉवल पे। आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा सर्च करिएगा गूगल पे, आपको सारी डिटेल्स जो है मिल जाएंगी।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
Okay. Next question, question number 21. The film Sahib Bibi aur Ghulam, the 1962 version produced by the talented Guru Dutt, is based on Sahib Bibi aur Ghulam, written by which Bengali author? So I'll repeat the question again. The film Sahib Bibi aur Ghulam, the 1962 version produced by the talented Guru Dutt, is based on Sahib Bibi aur Ghulam, written by which Bengali author? So the options are option A, Salil Datta, option B, Bimal Kar, option C, Bimal Mitra, and option D, B.K. Murthy. So the correct option is option C, Bimal Mitra. And this is the right option. This is the poster of the film. This is the cover. This part, the left part is the cover. And this is in Bengali. Poster of the film Sahib Bibi aur Ghulam. Okay, next question, question number 22. The book called Matamgi Manipur, the first Manipuri feature film which received National Award in 2017, is written by A. Bobby Weinbaum, B. Dev Kumar Bose, C. Rajkumar Mani Singh, and D. Shetri Rajan. So the correct option is option A, Bobby Weinbaum. This is the cover of the book. Sorry, this is the poster of the film. Another poster. Still from the film. Another still.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Next question, question number 23. Who is the author of the book Lata Surgatha, which received National Award in 2016? Options are option A, Girja Kumar Mathur, option B, Yashpal, option C, Manu Bhandari, and option D, Yatindra Mishra. So the correct option is option D, Yatindra Mishra. And let's check the answer. Option D is the correct answer. This is the cover of the book Lata Surgatha. Another cover. Lata Mangeshkar. Next question, question number 24. Who is the author of the book Silent Cinema in India, A Pictorial Journey, which received National Award in 2012? So Silent Cinema in India received National Award in 2012, and they are asking who is the author of the book. So options are given as option A, B.D. Garg, option B, R.K. Narayan, option C, Chetan Bhagat, and option D, Arundhati Roy. So the correct option is option A, B.D. Garg. Let's check it. Option A is the correct option. This is the cover of the book Silent Cinema in India. Similar cover. Okay, next question. Question number 25. Who is the author of the book R.D. Burman, The Man, the Music? Also, this book received National Award in 2011. So options are option A, Jay Shetty, option B, Amish Tripathi, option C, Aniruddha Bhattacharjee and Balaji Vittal, option D, Durjoy Datta. So the correct option is option C, Aniruddha Bhattacharjee and Balaji Vittal. This is the cover of the book R.D. Burman, The Man, the Music. R.D. Burman. Okay, next question, question number 26. Who is the author of the book From Rajas and Yogis to Gandhi and Beyond? Images of India in International Films of the 20th Century. This also received National Award in 2010. So options are option A, Amitabh Ghosh, option B, Vijaya Mule, option C, Salman Rushdie, option D, Amrita Sen. So the correct option is option B, Vijaya Mule. This is the cover. The author.
मैम होल्ड कीजिएगा.
Okay, okay. Okay. Next question. Question number 27. Who is the author of the book Bollywood Melodies, which received National Award in 2008? So options are given as A, Rakesh Anand Bakshi, B, Rajiv Vijayakar, C, Manik Premchand, D, Ganesh Anantharaman. So the correct option is option D, Ganesh Anantharaman. Let's check the answer. D is the correct option. This is the cover of Bollywood Melodies and the author. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 28. Who is the author of the book From Raj to Swaraj, the non-fiction film in India, which received National Award in 2007? Options are given as option A, B.D. Garg, option B, Mahatma Gandhi, option C, Romila Thapar, option D, R.K. Narayan. So the correct option is option A, B.D. Garg. Let's check it. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, From Raj to Swaraj. Next question, question number 29. Who is the author of the book Helen, the Life and Times of an H-Bomb, which received National Award in 2006? So options are option A, Leela Naidu, option B, Rachel Dyer, option C, Jerry Pinto, option D, Naresh Fernandez. So the correct option is option C, Jerry Pinto. This is the cover of Helen, the Life and the Times of an H-Bomb. And that's Jerry Pinto. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 30. Who is the author of the book Kundan, which received National Award in 2005? So options are option A, Sharad Dutt, option B, Diksha Basu, option C, Saransh Prakashan, and option D, Namita Gokhale. So the correct answer is option A, Sharad Dutt. A is the correct option. This is the cover of the book Kundan. It is Kundan Sehgal's Life and Music. That's Sharad Dutt. And this is the Hindi cover. We'll continue the next one in the next class, and I'm launching the poll.
See, right now there are 31 students and 23 has pressed the button. So it doesn't cost anything and does not take too much of a time to press the button. This is your attendance, nothing more than that. And as simple as that. Second thing I wanted to tell you that the way, if you look into the Google and when the name is being pronounced by American, it might sound different to the way you people pronounce. So it can also happen then when we pronounce French, German, Italian or Spanish name, more important is that you need to remember the spelling of that name. Your pronunciation may not be exact because this is not a pronunciation exercise. This is an exercise of, this is not a language exercise of French or German, but this is an exercise of a name of a person or a name of a book, name of a film, name of a author, whatever it is. So this is just, this particular class is not supposed to be held because it is just an exercise which you can take it up by yourself. Since you people don't want to take it up yourself, that's why somebody has to read it for you. But that is fine since we committed that for you. So we are doing it. But at the end of the day, you need to remember the names and you need to answer it over there. As simple as that. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Anji, boliye.
Sir, today we read a lot about books. Any book that you recommend from your side that we read today?
These are the books which are recommended by me. These are not the book recommended by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. These are the books I am recommending you because I have done a research why these books are important. Today,
but any one book that you recommend that we can open and start reading?
No, that is see, these books where you see the photograph of Osho. This is a particular book which Osho talks about, books which are influenced me. He is the most well-read person in the entire world. No one can compete with him. He has read more than 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 books, probably more. And out of that, he was talking about 100 books. And there's a particular book and there's a lecture which is recorded over there. So out of that recommendation, I selected those names of the book. I have only read, say for example, 5 out of those 100 books. So it's your choice what you want to read and what you don't want to read. So all these books are important in general in your life. Depend upon your profession which you are going to be in. If you are going to be a cinematographer, you would read different kind of books. But out of interest, you might read the Sartre, you might read the Gurdjieff, you might read the Lao Tse, you might read someone else. That is your personal interest. But all these books are important in some way or other and can be asked into the examination. That is my interest. So far as personal book recommendation is concerned, you could read whatever you want. The books which I mentioned here are not the book which I have read, all of them. I have read only 5% of the book. But these 5% are more than 1,000 books in total. Here I would have recommended, say for example, 6,000 books. So name of the book, name of the author is important. That's it. Are you getting my answer?
I get it. I get it.
Okay. So that is your personal choice, what you would like to read. My recommendation, you will never read in your life because that is my taste. Your taste depends upon your liking, your profession, your understanding. You may not like those books which I would like. So, so far as the recommendation is, all these 100 books which are recommended by Osho, for example, I have read only 5. But I
was talking about the books on cinema.
On the book, the cinema, go to our website, craftfilmschool.com, acting, direction, cinematography. I have loaded the PDF file over there, important books to read. Download those books and you need to read them. I have told this thing at least 5 times so far. Probably you have not heard of it or you may not have paid attention. But all those books which I think are important, I have loaded over there on our Craft Film School page of the relevant course. You will find it and they are downloadable PDF files. You can download from there.
Thank you for the information.